Welcome to 1770 Southwest 36th Way, located in Obsidian Trails. This home is 1574 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, with a great room layout, triple attached garage, great fenced and landscaped backyard. And this community is awesome. You have a trail all the way around and through the neighborhood. And right down the street is the new rec center for Redmond that'll be done shortly. So you'll be just a short distance away from exercise facilities, a pool, basketball courts. Schools are close, parks are very, very close by. The aerial will show that flying around through the area. Just a great home in perfect condition, and I'll show you through the inside, garage and backyard. Now inside the front door, in the foyer, looking past these awesome built-ins. Moving towards the great room. Awesome layout, gas fireplace. You have your mount locations and outlets for a flat panel TV above the fireplace. Access directly to that covered back patio. Kitchen, great room area in this is just really nicely laid out. Big breakfast bar, all the appliances, good sized pantry there. This flooring is in excellent condition. Under cabinet lighting. We have 8-foot ceilings, ceiling fans, the thermostat for the central gas heating system that has AC, into the primary with ceiling fan, space for a little office, TV, end tables, fits a king bed comfortably. Good size primary bath with double vanity. The all-important enclosed toilet room. Love to have that feature. Good storage here too for your linens. Into the walk-in closet. Spacious, well lit, nicely organized. And there is a tub shower combination here. It's in good condition, nice to have that in both bathrooms. Back towards the foyer. Just wanted to point out that coat closet there too. Super handy to have that by the front door, tile entry. Both guest bedrooms separated from the primary. Nice western exposure for the sun here. Good sized closet. This is really a great front bedroom. The other of the two, about equal size. Both of these fit a queen bed comfortably with end tables. The shared guest bath with tub shower combination. Everything's in perfect condition. Awesome single level layout. Right here is the access to the triple car garage through the utility room. Also have plenty of room here to add a utility sink if needed. Good storage. Absolutely turnkey and ready to go. Inside the triple garage, 8-foot tall doors, fully insulated. Just an awesome space here. You have the man door out the back to the backyard, garage door openers for both doors. The electrical panel over there. You can also see the Rainbird controller. This is a heat pump water heater, super efficient. Great to have those systems. The money savings over a standard electric water heater uses about 1/4 as much energy and has much better recovery times too. And that door leads into the house. Now in the very private backyard area, covered back patio, big space out to the side. This is east facing, lots of good morning sun comes in this way. And you have a really good buffer between you and 35th, which is a slow road right here, comes up to a stop sign, but there's a nice buffer of community property between you and the road. So you have great privacy, and then the trail system for the neighborhood. If you need to have a garden or other things that are more exposed to the sun, this side of the house is where you'd want to be, all southern exposure in this little kick out area behind the triple car garage. Beautiful space, nice trees. Ideal for enjoying the Central Oregon outdoors.